Innovation. It takes the genius of the past and puts its invention to work today. Innovation takes yesterday's limits and finds tomorrow's opportunities. It offers new solutions to old problems. Innovation turns the heritage of craftsmen into cutting-edge technology. We didn't invent the tools for transformation, but we pioneered performance. The OSI self-centering planer is unsurpassed in precision and productivity. Removing the same thickness from both sides of the board, it ensures 100% accuracy. The patented independent air suspension relies on hydraulic sleeves that lock in place. Alignment is perfect. We've revolutionized batch feeding. Each piece is centered and calibrated individually, no matter its thickness. You get optimal use of every single board and minimal waste. The OSI SCP accommodates planks of 18, 24, and 32 inches, reaching the largest surface area possible. Combined with our side matcher and end matcher, it gives you perfect boards with a perfect fit. No retouching necessary. All parts work together to eliminate jamming and downtime for an unbeatable yield. We think differently at OSI. It's a machining first mentality. When you see how far we've come, you'll know where you're going. Our innovation puts you at the front of the pack.